Prime Day continues and the deals are fantastic. What have you gotten so far? But today's deals, listen, it's not just for prepping, but for life, because that's what it's all about, right? But here's the thing. Today's list are huge, huge savings. Some of them over 50% off, but here's the catch. Some of these end today. So make sure you get there and get them now. And of course, for your convenience, I'll link them below. Let's get right into it. And first up, a 6-quart Instant Pot. I love ours. In fact, we call it Instant Pot. We use it so much. Man, we paid so much more for ours, $140, and there's different sizes available. And going into town is not so safe as it used to be. You might want to consider getting a neck wallet / travel pouch. Fantastic. These are so smart, keeps it close to your body, $16, and there's all kinds of different types of colors, so you can choose what you like. I was skeptical when I bought my Ring indoor cameras, but I bought them for my dojo. These are amazing, work so well. They're so versatile, 1080p resolution, they're high definition, only $50 for a 2-pack. I love these cameras. And we were getting so tired of our lawnmower. The gas in there always clogging up the jets in the carburetor, even though we have rec gas. Terrible. So last year we broke down and bought a Greenworks 40-volt cordless lawnmower, battery powered. Here we see 231, and we don't regret it one bit. The batteries easily cover mowing our lawn, and there's no starting it up. It's beautiful. We love it. And if you don't have a personal blender or a smoothie blender, here's a 14-piece personal blender. You are missing out, because these are great to be able to mix up things like health food type stuff. That's what we use ours for things like healthy smoothies and nutritious type stuff. We love them. Do you have a countertop ice maker? We do. And I've noticed they usually run about $100 or close to it, and they die like every year or so. Here you can replace it with this $64 one, 26 pounds of ice a day, and the color is super cool. No pun intended. Here's an amazing deal, 55% off, but it does end soon. A Keurig Express single serve coffee maker. This is the model we have. $50 is such a good deal for this coffee pot. Another one that ends soon and a huge amount off, a 6-in-1 stainless steel air fryer. Countertop model, does all kinds of stuff for you. We were skeptical until we got an air fryer, and we love it so much. Tell me, do you have one of these? It's a milk frother, electric milk steamer. And Ashley uses ours all the time. It makes kind of like a poor man's latte when you froth up the milk with it. Works amazingly well. So this one's 20% off for $29. Just ask Ashley, you will not regret this. And same with these too. You know, there's air containers and little disposable type things, but these are so nice. We love these airtight food containers, $32 for a 9-pack. We love them. And now just a few items more on the prepping and preparedness side. 2-pack of emergency whistles for $6.40. And you cannot beat this deal at all. 55% off a tire inflator with a portable air compressor built in, only $27. Fantastic. I don't know about you. I love my portable chargers. I use them for everything, mostly for my studio lights and such. 5,000 milliamp hours for this one for $20. And if you have the iPhone, I love it. You can simply set it on top to charge up your device. And these are so handy and usually very expensive. It's an outlet extender with rotating plugs, surge protector, and even USB ports. $9.48. We love these things. Only a few more to go. But I'll tell you right now, the very last one I'm going to show you is something we have that honestly, every family should have one of these. So let's keep going. 30% off a handheld leaf blower. So listen, this is not about blowing leaves, even though obviously it can work for that. For $38, these things are amazing for starting fires because literally it blows the air to get the embers going, makes it super hot quick. Here's a 4K ultra high definition solar trail camera. This is great. It says outdoor wildlife. That's true. But yard monitoring is what we're all about. So you can see it on your phones, you even have alerts to it. They're great for cameras to be able to watch outside your house. I was always reluctant buying something like that for myself, but honestly, I finally broke down and bought a Damascus chef knife, $32, high carbon stainless steel. Oh man, it is my favorite thing. And Ashley was like, you're crazy. But then, yeah, she always borrows it too. Same with this. I was reluctant, but I finally picked one up. It's a Blackstone flat top gas griddle, $199. But I did finally buy one, and it's my favorite outside device. I love cooking with this thing. Do you have one of these? And I fell in love with mine also. This is a Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical barbecue smoker. Oh man, fantastic item. $160, and it'll make the best brisket you've ever had. Fantastic. And we keep one of these folded up in our van at all times, a wagon cart with wheels, collapsible, 220 pounds. It has come in handy so many times, and honestly, we always take it everywhere. All right, a few more items to go. I'll link them all below, heading for the best one yet still. This is simply incredible. This is probably one of the best deals today. A 50-inch Toshiba ultra high definition Fire TV. These smart TVs are amazing. Look at that, 57% off, only $150. That's incredible. It doesn't matter if you're trying to eat healthy, get in shape, or simply prepare for the future. Grass-fed whey protein. Excellent product, by the way. Very good. $30, that's 20% off. And I'll be honest with you, something else that we didn't think we'd need, but when we got it, we use it all the time, a Veggie Chopper. 43% off, 20 bucks. It's worth 40 bucks. We use ours all the time and it works very well and cleans up easy too. All right, besides mentioning one more time, we linked everything below. Here's our number one item, and I mean it, everybody should have one of these. And being 20% off, there's no excuse not to have one. For $64, it's a Dynatrap. Kills off a half acre of mosquitoes and flying insects. Now listen, this is not a bug zapper. I mean, it is a bug zapper. But the technology it uses, it's not simply just the light, but also puts off the CO2, which attracts bugs. It works so amazingly well. And somebody told us about this a few years ago. We picked up one. Wow, it's a whole new world of getting rid of bugs outside your property. All right, anyways, I'll link them all below. Everything, by the way. And I appreciate you being here because, listen, if you click on the link, we get a portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change, but it helps us out as a channel because we don't have Patreon or paid videos, nothing like that. It's always free to you. And this is a way that if you buy these items, it helps us out too. And we say thank you because we are Amazon affiliates. So what are you going to buy this Prime Day? Put in the comments below. But the items on here we own and love and are fantastic. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with more Prime Day deals.